Welcome back, peeps, to another vlog. This is me where I ended out the last vlog at Eglinton Valley, Fiordland National Park. You know, one of the scenes where they film Lord of the Rings? The morning didn't quite look like this. As I made my way to Milford Sound along the most spectacular scenic drive, it was absolutely breathtaking. I wanted to stop so many times. Even in the rain, it was spectacular. If you're planning a road trip to New Zealand, make sure you include the Milford in those plans. This is also me. Yep, the Milford Sound cruise. Everyone does a cruise in Milford, right? Torrential rain. I think that added to the adventure. The beauty of this destination is definitely worth the visit. There's a full vlog up on the channel. Today's another day to Milford Sound, or not quite so far. Will the weather be in my favour today? Let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, peeps. It's another day here in Tiana, day 2. Yesterday was pretty scungy. I have taken myself back into the Fiordland National Park. I'm going to hike myself to Lake Marian. It says it's a 3-hour return walk. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit longer for me, but let's go. I've literally been walking for 2 minutes and it's so beautiful. Wow. All the moss and fern, the water running down the river. I think I'm going to really enjoy this walk. With some rough sections underfoot. Let's go! Yeah, there are some rough patches along this little bit here. Can you spot it? There's a little orange marker that says this way. Oh gee, it really is very rocky. Whew. Okay, so there's definitely some very, very rocky sections of this walk. I did see some people with hiking poles. I obviously don't have hiking poles, but make sure you're very, very careful. I'm just taking my leisurely time. It is slippery as well, but this walk is absolutely beautiful. A little bit of rain don't hurt anyone, so let's keep going. Okay, so come from there, you've got the orange marker, and when you look around you go, well, where is the marker? Can you spot it? It's just up there, which means you've got to walk yourself along here. Okay, how about this for a climb? That marker there, and we're going to climb up there, peeps, up there. Let's go. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of a hot tip. The track is pretty well posted with the little orange markers, but just make sure you're paying attention to where they are, because there was a group that was way ahead of me, and then suddenly they appeared from behind, and that's because they got lost. So you might think you're a hardcore excellent hiker, but just pay attention to the little orange markers. Yep, it's a little bit muddy, this bit. Oh. Yeah. They might be obvious, but just make sure you're paying attention. Okay, so we've come out into the light outside of the canopy of the rainforest. I feel like we might be just about there, right? Oh yeah, yuck. Yuck. It's a tad muddy, and yep, I just got my shoes totally mudded out just then. Okay, now I know I must be close because there is a toilet. I can hear some flowing water, so we must be just down here. Fingers crossed. So I have made it to Lake Marian, peeps. Don't underestimate how hard it is because it's very rocky, but I have made it, and this is my view right now. Unfortunately, the clouds or the mist has kicked in. I will wait for a little bit and see if I can get me a nice shot of those beautiful mountains behind. But check out the view right now, peeps. Okay, so I stayed here for about half an hour. I watched the clouds go away, snapped me a couple of shots, had me something to eat, refreshed myself, and I am out of here, peeps, so I will catch you on the flip side. Okay, so I have made it back to Mirror Lakes. This morning I was at the Marian's Lake. Spectacular. You have to do that when you're here in the Fiordlands. I came to Mirror Lakes yesterday. It was grotty and overcast and foggy, so I saw nothing. It is the afternoon, the sun is out. Fingers crossed when I wander down the track that I'm going to get me some spectacular views. So let's go check her out. So the last stop for the day is Eglinton Valley, and this is what the view looks like when there's no rain and fog and clouds. Hey there, peeps. I am going to end out this vlog today. 2 days in Tia now. Today I did a hike to Lake Marian, absolutely spectacular, but be prepared, it's a little bit hard. Yesterday wasn't so flash, did the cruise, but the weather was really bad. I am ending out the day here in this hot tub at the holiday park that I am staying.
as usual, if you have liked this video, why don't you give me a like and a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to my channel. And in the next part of the road trip, I am heading to Wanaka, you know, the famous hashtag Wanaka tree. Anyway peeps, I will spot you in the next video. Booyah!